Hello traders, good morning. In front of you Alpha Fibonacci System with bullish trend inception on January 31st. Alpha Fibonacci System long term is a crucial part of the system that identifies hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance, where bullish trend inception is, where crucial support levels will be. If you're trading with institutions and not against them, I'm leaving pointers on. This is your day trading buy points, no matter what chart you trade. Is it 1, is it 2, is it 3, is it 5, is it 7, is it range chart, is it any chart? You know all of this in advance. If you were here yesterday morning, you witnessed this war zone. You know, days ahead, that this is not the place to enter into. You also knew ahead where the pullback will end, at what level. This is proactive strategic system. No speculation here. Intelligent trader right now monitoring for a pullback. Bullish rally overextended. There is nothing in common between buying the bottom, buying at bullish trend confirmation versus the top. Powerful pullback is key now. Without powerful pullback, intelligent trader not buying the top. So what is intelligent trader monitoring now with the Alpha Fibonacci system? This support. Intelligent trader understands, as we discussed with students, extremely aggressive trades. Those are the only trades that are present currently. Intelligent trader understands, whatever you do today, you will do more of tomorrow. There is nothing conservative about buying historical high. Previous 24 hours ultimate chop, non-stop pullbacks. But the fact that this support remained respected confirmed bullish rally. Intelligent trader only bought the markets, did not touch any shorts, because intelligent trader trades with institutions only. But first, let's convert this chart to 5. Let's see what played out this week with the Alpha Fibonacci system. I left the pointers on. This is where buyers stepped in. You knew this hours, days in advance. You knew where reversal zone will be. All the details in Thursday class and modules 3 and 4, where you can watch video library 24/7. This is how you remove stress from trading. This is how you're not entering into brick wall. This proprietary Fibonacci level is where price collapses from 80+% of the time. Yesterday in the trading room, buyers stepped in from here. You knew this in advance as well. And if I convert this chart to 10, to any chart you choose to trade, identical formula remains. This is the power of the system. All in advance. This is proactive strategic system. So if I convert the chart right now to 1, let's see what's playing out in the market now, shall we? Price giving us a pullback. We knew that buying historical high at reversal zone is not a smart thing to do, correct? Chop is on, price is taking a pause. So please understand, speculation is never a recipe for success. Buying with institutions as low as possible is the only way to to trade since March 23rd on S&P, on Nasdaq, on Dow with Alpha Fibonacci rules. Powerful pullback is the key. This is fluff. This is exhausted rally. So every single day, strategic trader looks at this chart. Every single day, strategic trader understands that the only way you become successful, if you think and trade as JP Morgan trader, whom I mentor, the only way to think and trade as Goldman Sachs, as BlackRock traders do. They're holding positions for weeks, months, and years using this chart. So here's the power of the system. Since 2019, and what we will be discussing in class after the close of the trading room. 2019 S&P reaches reversal zone. Rallies that started the end of 2018 exhausted. Intelligent trader who plays by the rules understands what identifies institutional sell-off. So when institutional sell-off plays out, in the months of January and February, strategic trader knows months in advance where reversal point will be. 2200 all the way at the bottom. All the details in Thursday class and modules 3 and 4. Intelligent investor protecting profits. Intelligent investor understands that panic and negativity is noise. Trading the price is the only path to success. So when price reaches institutional support level on March 23rd, identified months in advance, there is no good news. Panic and negativity remain. Black Thursday, March 23rd, on the news. But on the chart, institutions step in. Bullish rally picking up this steam. And you know many months in advance where reversal zone will be. But 2020, price continue respecting institutional support. There is no sell-off. It's a very big difference. January 2020 versus July 2020. As institutions keep buying the pullbacks, Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected. All identified in advance. All of these points are institutional buy points. You as a day trader, you as investor, taking advantage of this. Not listening to panic and negativity and noise. There is zero reason to short the market. This is a vertical rally during the worst economic crisis. And when bullish rally continue picking up this steam, institutional support remains respected. This is S&P mini future that consists of almost 5,000 stocks. In United States of America, this is a very powerful lesson. Trade the price, not the noise. Because if trading on the news, if trading on the noise worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It does not. Good news still not present, but institutions not shorting the market. Institutions keep holding positions. This morning we are at historical high. Nothing easy about markets when institutions holding positions and adding to their longs. So if you trade it here, last week in March, first week in April, in May, June, July, if you are buying with institutions, you are on vacation right now. There is nothing conservative about this trading. Between S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq, every single day there were hundreds and hundreds of trades. There are very few gems now that are present. Trading overextended rally when institutions holding positions requires your ultimate skill, requires your ultimate sniper's mentality. So do you remember where we left the price? My goodness, look at that. Shock or not, it's a reversal zone. We knew it's not the place to buy, correct? We knew that demanding powerful pullback is the only way to trade. And if you're using software, that's what it looks like. Bold red line means do not buy. Bold red line means expect pullback. Intelligent trader knows what separates powerful versus junky pullback. Do you understand that red means red light? Can you trade only from levels, never into levels? Where was the best place to be? As low as possible, at this support. Because if you understand what institutions do, you're riding powerful multi-million, multi-billion train with them. You are not standing in front of Goldman train, are you? You are much smarter than that. You're turning off your gambling switch and you obey the rules. It's a world of difference. Trading here versus here. So this is a very aggressive long we discussed with students before we came to the trading room. We discussed there are no sellers. We discussed the most important rule remains obeyed. We discussed that institutions keep buying historical high, keep creating historical high. Without powerful pullbacks, only aggressive longs are present. If you are a conservative trader, you're mastering your golf swing, you're playing with your dog, you're going for a run. You understand the danger of overextended rally. You have zero interest in aggressive trading because there is nothing in common between trading when institutions taking positions, buying at institutional entry points versus buying overextended bullish rally now. There is no hundreds of trades per day that are present. Very few gems are present. And these gems will require your ultimate understanding of pure price. So if you pay attention to pure price, if you understand the difference between easy versus extremely challenging markets, the skies are the limit. Because how you adjust to market conditions is everything. Market conditions will always change, but the most challenging market conditions will remain. When institutions will hold positions, nothing will be easy about day trading. Markets will test you to the core, and this can last months and years. Because the biggest profits in 40 plus years, the biggest vertical rally during the worst economic and health crisis is the ultimate reminder of trading the price, not the noise, not negativity and panic. Top 1% owns news channel. Top 1% became 40% richer buying the markets during the worst economic crisis. But you never heard that on the news. You only saw that on the chart. If you traded based on the news, you would be shorting markets every single day. There's still no good news. News is horrible, news is negative, news is so dark. But vertical rally remains. So only when you master the price, only when you obey the rules, only when you stop blocking the price with indicators, success is possible. When bold red line remains, do not trade. Demand powerful pullback. And only when price will pull back to bold green line, enjoy long. If not, extremely aggressive and very challenging trading will remain. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. So Apple doing exact same thing. Apple pulled back from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Bullish rally on Apple exhausted, but Apple not selling off. Apple holding crucial institutional support. Amazon stock in ultimate chop. Amazon been here since the month of July. Buyers are weak. Ultimate brick wall. Decision point 1. The end of the minor trend blocking the bullish rally. 6 months of this. That's the danger of overextended rally. Gold selling off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader understand. This is institutional reversal zone. This is not the place to buy gold. And when gold struggled to break through decision point 1, sell-off expected. All the details in long-term class, where I will show where to expect reversal on gold. QQQ, Nasdaq ETF. Our extended stock in chop between institutional support and institutional resistance. And again, if I take you back to S&P, there is nothing possible, only this. And this is what remains 90+% of the time. No matter if it's S&P, if it's Dow, if it's NQ, these are very challenging market conditions. These conditions will continue until the day institutions will start closing positions. If you understand the power of pure price, if you obey the most important Alpha Fibonacci rule, you don't need to stare at the screen. You don't need to wait for hours. You understand what you need for your trade. And that's the power of the system during all market conditions. So I live and breathe what I do, and when I see my students becoming successful, that's the reason I love what I do. Alpha Fibonacci System had been trading globally since 2011 by traders of all caliber, from micro to macro to institutional size account to Wall Street firms. Currently, I'm mentoring 11-year-old girl. I mentored 14-year-old boy. I mentored wives of children, best friends. I mentor families. It's a family affair. When students also bring their best friends. All I'm asking you to make an effort. This Monday will be extremely important day. February will be extremely important month. There will be days when I will be teaching more than ever. One day with the Alpha Fibonacci system will change your life as students share. every single day. Thousands and thousands of emails later. Because when you can trade pure price, you can trade any market conditions. You know what identifies spectacular versus brutal markets. And that's key part of your consistent trading. And that's what husband and wife know, and Marco in Italy during crisis. Every single trader, different account. Every single trader, different experience. Simply identify what's appropriate for you. And when you do, the skies are the limit, even during crisis. If Jennifer can do this with 2 little babies, if Marco can do this while being sick in Italy, if Mustafa can do this in Saudi Arabia, what is stopping you? And that's the power of our community. That's the power of our traders who making an effort. So February will be extremely interesting month for me and my students. At times I will be teaching very impromptu boot camp when one day can change your life forever. You will remove all indicators. You will understand what separates powerful versus not, versus brutal market conditions. System been traded globally without any software on all platforms. First package for any platform, second package for Ninja 8 with software, with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. All classes are live. Video library available 24/7. Private mentoring waiting list only. If you're signing up for group course, I will gladly move you up when private mentoring student graduates. 95% of private mentoring students finish within maximum 2 months. So listen and view what students do. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. View students' performance, listen to students' podcasts. As students inspire each other. Every trader been through a lot. Every trader lost a lot of money using something they should have never used. With pure price, with Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. Please do not hesitate to contact me. I love what I do. I look forward to speaking with you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again, price is stuck. Price is frozen, and this can last hours and hours and days and weeks and months. Because when institutional traders holding positions, very few gems are present. And that's what intelligent trader knows. All the details in live class. Thank you.